In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an SEO site audit with Ubersuggest and use the results to improve your website. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Ubersuggest website. This is the main workspace where you can scan your site for common SEO issues and technical performance problems. Before you begin, make sure your internet connection is stable because the audit tool needs a little time to load properly and process your website accurately. A slow or interrupted connection can affect how smoothly the scan runs. Once the page has loaded, find the Site Audit section. This is the area designed to check your website for technical problems that may affect search rankings, usability, and overall performance. In the domain field, type your website address carefully. It's worth taking a moment to double check the spelling because even a small typo can cause the tool to scan the wrong site or return results that aren't useful. After entering the correct domain, start the diagnostic scan and give the system time to complete the analysis. When the audit finishes, you'll see a summary of the main results. Focus on the sections that group issues into critical errors, warnings, and speed optimization. These categories are important because they help you understand which problems need immediate attention and which ones can be handled after that. Critical errors usually point to issues that can seriously hurt your visibility in search engines or stop pages from functioning as they should. Warnings are often less severe, but they still matter because they can gradually weaken your site if they're ignored. The speed optimization section highlights performance-related elements that may be slowing down your pages, which can impact both user experience and SEO. Next, click on any error item or issue card in the report. This opens a more detailed explanation panel, often labeled "How to fix this issue." This part is especially useful because it turns technical findings into practical guidance you can actually apply. Take your time and read the explanation carefully before making any changes. Understanding the issue first will help you avoid making the wrong adjustment. From there, use the technical instructions and code-related guidance provided by the audit to correct the structural page flaws on your website server. Depending on the recommendation, this could mean adjusting page elements, fixing broken settings, improving metadata, or updating technical configurations. As you make changes, work carefully and verify each fix so you don't accidentally create new problems. After the